Hi, my name is Jeff Metzger, and the product I'm here to talk about is the Greatmats StayLock Tile Bump Top. Really the problem that I had is I had this spare bedroom here that wanted to turn into my home gym. It's got a carpeted floor though, and wanted something that I could put over the top of it so it would provide some cushioning but also protect it from sweat. I looked at a lot of different options and even purchased one of them, which were some interlocking tiles. And after 5 minutes of a plyometrics exercise, it became clear that that wasn't the solution. Did a lot of searching and came across Greatmats and really figured out what the right product was with the interlocking bump top, and been super happy with it. It was super easy to install, and it's been going strong for well over 4 years, and looks like the day I installed it.